everybody, Sir Beaton here, and welcome back to another past paper practice video. In this video, we will be tackling some measurement questions, so let's head straight into the question. So the question says, in this question, use pi as 22/7. So you want to look out what they ask you to use pi as. So it says a piece of wire 61 cm long is bent to form a sector as shown in the diagram below. The sector of the circle OPQ has center O and a radius of 18 cm. So show that the value of x is approximately 80 degrees. So they want us to show that this value here of x is approximately 80 degrees. So for this question, we know the perimeter is equal to 61 cm. And if the radius here is 18, that means the radius here will also be 18. So we can say the arc length. So the arc length would simply be 61 minus 18 plus 18. This would be 61 minus 18, and 18 is 36. So 61 minus 36 will give me 25. So the arc length here is 25. So since we have the arc length being 25, and we want to find the value of theta, we know the formula to find arc length is theta over 360 multiplied by 2 pi r. So we know the arc length is 25. So 25 is equal to theta, which is x over 360 multiplied by 2 times pi, which is, they told us to use 22/7 multiplied by r, which is 18. So we can simplify this. You know, 2 ones, 2 into 360 would be 180. I know 180 divided by 2 would be 90. 22 divided by 2 would be 11. So now we'll have 25 is equal to 11 times 18. So 11 times 18 would give us 198. 198 times x would be 198x over 90 times 7 would be 630. So in order to solve for x, which should be approximately this here, we'll have 25 multiplied by, this is dividing, take 2, multiplied by 630 is equal to 198x. So 25 multiplied by 630, we'll have 15,750 is equal to 198x. So therefore, x will therefore be equal to 15,750 divided by 198. Hence, x will be equal to, we divide this by 198, we will get 79.545, and hence x is approximately equal to, when we round this off correct to the nearest degrees, we'll have 80 degrees. And that is how we show that x is equal to 80 degrees. So the next question says, calculate the area of the enclosed wire. So we know here is 80. So the area of this wire would be theta over 360 multiplied by pi r squared. So area would be equal to theta, we found to be 80 over 360 multiplied by pi, which is 22/7 multiplied by r squared, which is 18 squared, or we can say 18 times 18. So we can multiply everything at the top. So we can have 80 multiplied by 22 multiplied by 18 multiplied by 18. That would give me 570,240, all divided by 360 multiplied by 7, which would be 2,520. So the area would therefore be equal to, when we divide these two, we'll have 226.2857. So we can say the area is equal to approximately 226.3 cm squared. And that would be the area, as easy as that. So with that, this has brought me to the end of this video, and I trust that you have a good understanding of the concepts that we looked at in this video, and I want you to practice these concepts on additional questions. So keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.